I would like to just give you the advice. Once you hear your name mentioned here, if you are somewhere, you are now relieved of your present assignment. Report to the PNP within 24 hours, or I will order the entire armed forces and the police to hunt for you. Nasa sa inyo yan. Police Inspector Rolando Batolayan, retired. Police Superintendent Maristelo Manalo, PNP, CIDG. PIC Roberto Palisok, Station 7 MPD. Superintendent Ciceron Ada, retired. PCI Eric Binaventura Nabutas, non-commissioned officers. Kaya dumating tayo sa dito. You know why? Kayo yung enforcer. And you allowed yourself to be used. You are working for the government. Ang nagbubuhay mo noon, na bata pa kayo bago ang Pilipino. Pagdating ninyo sa nasaan kayong putang ina kayo, nandito na kayo. You destroy the country. Sabihin ninyo kung ano gusto ninyo. Di magsama na natin lahat. Sundalo. You want a country na? Sabay na lang tayo. You have infected to date. Yung nag-surrender lang. Ha? Ang hindi nag-surrender, takot o matapang, and ready, hindi pa yan bilang. Now, there are now 600,000 Filipinos addict, pusher, and user. Huwag mo akong bigyan ng shit dyan na user ka lang. Wala ka naman pera. Hindi ka naman anak ng... Hindi kita iniinsulto. Ako anak rin ng mahirap. Pero hindi ako gaya mong gonggong. Ang IQ ninyo ito mga to, 14. Bakit kayo pumasa sa... That's treason. Kung baka ng old times, treason now is a state of war and you become a spy and there is a war going on. But actually in the olden times, it's treason. That's a crime against the country of the Republic of the Philippines. Yun na lang kinakonsensya niya. Meron pa dito mga pulis. Naririnig ko. Sabi, bakit ako magawa ng gano'n? After 6 years, putang ina. Say goodbye to your promotion. Maghintay kayo 6 years. Say goodbye. Hindi ka na ma-promote. Either you're a cynic, sigurista ka, or you are a coward. Ngayon, kung takot ka, sinabi ko na sa inyo, sagot ko kayo personally and officially. Kung hindi pa ba nasapat sa inyong gonggong umalis ka sa pwesto. Ito, wala na to. Unod. We will file, wag na yung criminal. Beyond reasonable doubt. Marunong kayo, police kayo. Administratively, you're dead. You separate yourself from the PNP. Do not destroy the young men and women who are true to their country. Huwag ninyong sirain ang PNP. Huwag ninyong sirain ang forces. Bagay, which is consolation to you guys here. Wala. Police Non-Commissioned Officer, PO2, Geraldine Bautista Manuel, PNP PRO2 Health Service. Baba ito. SPO3, Ronald Calap, Isabela PPO. POC Rodel Samoledo, Lalio Police Station. O kung saan yan. PO3 Cecilio Domingo, Nueva Ecija siguro to, CIDT. PO2 Romando Mendoza. This is, I think, excuse me. May Ryan. And then Ryan Mendoza, Tarlac Police Station. Jeffrey Serafica, Butuan, PPO. PO1 Norman Adarlo, Puerto Galera, NPS. Mark Cañete, RSRP, SB. Memorap. Ano itong yawa nito? Memorapo. Memorapa? Kayo lang ako nakarinig na. Pisina yan. Ano yan? Place? It's anong... napunod yun po. PO1 Mark Christian Catalina. PNP Camarines Norte. PO2 Alan Carpio. PCP 8 Pasay City. PO3 Eric Lazo, QCPD Station 6. PO3 Alexander Macabeo, PCP 3 Parañaque City. PO3 Johnny Mahilom, QCPD Station 6 Batasan. Doon siguro pinapasa yung congressman na yun. PO2 Silito Milendres, Binangonan Police Station. Actually, ngayon lang ito as corrected. Edit, validation, pagdating, raw lang yung akin. Tanggalin mo yung protector. Kasi hindi natin sigurado yan. O protect what? Sabihin niya, yung bata niya, huwag mong galawin yan, bata ni Duterte yung security niya. Parang ganon. So, I had it revalidated. And again, when I saw the mayors na kilala ko, I had revalidated. Ngayon lang ito pinasa sa akin. PNP officers, General, Vicente Luot, retired. General Valerio, Santa Barbara, Iloilo, retired. General Bernardo Diaz, Region 6. General Idio, RTC of Calbayog City. Police Superintendent Floro, retired, Antique, PNP, and City Director. Police Superintendent Kashmir Dimangkok, former COP of Iloilo Base Commander. Police Superintendent Delia Paz, Chief, RDIDM. Police Superintendent ENEPA, RIU, Sedin 6 Intelligence. Police Superintendent Ipel Duenas, wala akong address. Superintendent Kaundag. Police Superintendent Eugenio Malik, PNP Maritime Group. PNP Lamsis, former page-off of Chief Antique, Anti-Drug. Police Superintendent Gumbok, Police Superintendent Leven, PIC Rio Maymay, PSI Kenneth Militar, yung isa sa Iloilo. Militar Iloilo, PSI Donasco, walang address. PIN Inspector De Jose, CSOG, PNP Region 6. Police Inspector Duarte, buti na yung Duterte ang yawa. Former CAP, PCOP of Arevalo, Iloilo. Iloilo, grabe talaga. Wala ito. Sumiyong political. PIC Vicente, Chief of Police, Banate, Superintendent Romeo Santander, former Chief Intel Cebu.